What's goody? It's your boy, and I'm back with another banging video. But today, I got a special one for y'all, man. I don't know about y'all, but I've been having a lot of problems with my sound quality, man. And it really been bringing me down because my videos be so good. Reactions be live. But at the same time, all I get is a lot of comments. Oh, sound quality this, sound quality that, sound quality, terrible sound quality, great reaction. I'm getting tired of that. So, I've been digging deep. And I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm one of them people. I'm gonna give y'all the sauce. I'm not gonna just sit here and, you know what I'm saying? I know them hateful people don't want to give it to y'all. They just want to win. I want to see everybody win. So with that being said, I got two ways. I don't know why I put up three fingers. Two ways. You know what I'm saying? Two ways for you to get your sound correct. We're gonna take all the background noise out. We talking hiss, white noise, humming, buzzing, whatever you got, we taking it out the video. Now we got one way with your camera. I'm gonna show you that setup first, and then we got a second way when you go into the laptop using Final Cut Pro and whatever. I'm gonna just say whatever editing program you do use, they probably do have the same type of, you know what I'm saying, noise removal or noise reduction in the program. So you just follow and maybe I'll help you. But if you're using Final Cut for sure, we got you, bro. I'm telling you. You doing reactions? What? You outside? Don't worry about it, man. We taking all that out the video. But either way it goes, man, it was giving me a lot of trouble. And if it's giving you a lot of trouble, I'm gonna help you out. And if this video helps you out, please get this thing to at least 5,000, 10,000 likes, you feel me? And subscribe to the channel. I don't really do how-to videos. This is one for my content creators. I know y'all need help, you know what I'm saying? And people don't be wanting to help the smaller content creators. So I'm out here trying to help, you feel me? I appreciate you. And let's go ahead and get straight into the video. It's game. All right, so you go to your shooting settings, and then you go to sound recording right here, and it's on auto. You're gonna take this off of auto. You're gonna put it on manual, and once you go to manual, you're gonna go to the level right here, and you're gonna adjust your levels. You switch it to whatever level you can switch it to for it to hit 12. It don't matter. Use your device. Make sure you have your device attached, whatever your Bluetooth device is. Make sure you have it attached to the camera once you're doing all this, and then look at the levels and do it on your own. It's going to be different for every camera, so you got to measure it. You try to get it up to this 12. You can be a little over, but don't go into the red. So that's how you're going to do your first setting. And if this one don't work, I got one more for y'all on the laptop, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show y'all. All right, so here we go, y'all. Now I'm going to show y'all another way to do it. You got to go onto your laptop and it's Final Cut Pro. You know what I'm saying? So if you're not using this, this is the one way. But they probably have it in whatever editing program you're using. So just look out for it. But this is for my Final Cut Pro users. Here we go. So I got my audio here and I'm going to show y'all. Let me make sure it's loud. Now we hear the buzzing sound. Listen. All right, so we got this buzzing noise all throughout the video. Anytime I get quiet, hissing, buzzing, and it be airy. So this is after you already shot your content and you putting it, when you're trying to upload it to YouTube and you're doing an edit and you're about to do your editing and you notice this, right? I got a couple of ways on Final Cut Pro and I didn't even know myself. So we're going to start off here. Boom. First thing we're going to do. And I'm going to set this back up so it looks like it's going to look for y'all. Boom. You're going to go ahead and click your video. After you click your video, you're going to click this little wand right here, whatever, right next to this box. And you're going to go to Enhance Audio. And once you go to that, you come up over here. And this is what you're going to see. Now, maybe yours is up. Mine was up the first time, and it totally threw me off. So I'm going to tell y'all this because other creators not going to tell y'all that, and y'all going to be confused. It might be up like this. You want to scroll this down, and boom. Now you're in the dough, boy. I'm telling you. Hey, I need y'all to like this up, bro, because I'm giving y'all the sauce right now. Boom. All right. Now, once you do that, it's going to automatically, the audio is going to be analyzed and it says fixed. If that fixed your problem, you're good. Now I'm not gonna lie, I feel like there's still like an airy sound to the video. It did take out the buzzing noise, if y'all can hear it. Like, the buzzing noise is completely gone. So if that step didn't work, we're going to do a couple of extra steps to get your video, your audio crispy, like as crispy as you want it to be, man. Because I know they be talking about your audios in the comments. They was talking about mine. So you can go to voice isolation. And we're going to pick that up to about 55, maybe 60. Try not to go any higher than that. You know what I'm saying? And then there's also noise removal. And they also did the hum removal for us already. You want to put that on 60. And then for the amount of noise removal, I just usually go up really high with it. You go wherever you feel is necessary. And once you do that, you got to let your laptop render. So I'm going to give my laptop a second to render. And once it's finished render, I'm going to show y'all the finished product. And it's going to sound a lot better. You know what I'm saying? It might not be the best because you might not have the best quality stuff. But you're going to get a lot better quality, sound quality out of what you're trying to get out of this. So we're going to definitely, I definitely need a little bit of appreciation for this. I need y'all to go ahead and like this video up. Let's get this thing to at least 5,000 likes. You feel me? I was having this problem myself. So once I figured it out, I said, forget it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give other people the sauce. I'm not one of them people that don't want y'all to win. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give y'all that. I'm just waiting on it to render real quick. And I'm going to show y'all the finished product. I did it finish rendering already. No, it's not. You can see it at the bottom as it's like working through. And now, as you can see in the empty spaces, there's nothing. The audio is all going in the empty spaces. Try not to go too crazy with the amount of voice isolation, like I said before. You know what I'm saying? 55 to 60. Try not to go too higher than 60 because then you're going to start sounding fake. So I'm just giving this a second. And once this finish up, I'm going to show y'all the finished product and we'll be straight. Let's go to the beginning. Boom. All right, ladies and gents. Now we got the same video. Let me show y'all. Sound all the way up. We got... Now that's way better now, ain't it? No buzzing. No nothing. The only sound I still got, and this is not even the sound from the video, there's no background noise at all. The only thing I got is it's like a sound from my fan from my laptop. If you do hear that sound. But nothing.
I don't hear nothing.
I'm telling you. So appreciate you guys, man. Remember to do that. Make sure if y'all got it right, make sure y'all leave me a comment, a little bit of appreciation, and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna do great things together. I had to go ahead and give y'all that one because I was having a lot of audio problems myself. No more audio problems. All right, I'm out.